So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and click on C on your keyboard. You want to scroll down until we find cryptographic services. You want to double click on it. And then you want to make sure the startup type is on automatic and that the service is running. So click on start, which will then make the service running. And then click on OK. If you already got to the service though and it was already started and it was already running, and it was already on automatic and it was already running, then you want to click on restart the service. And then click on yes. And now once you've restarted the service, you want to scroll up until we find background intelligent transfer service. You want to do the same thing. You want to double click on it and then change the startup type to automatic and then click on start. And then click on OK. Again, if it was already started, then you want to click on restart the service. But in my case, it was not started, so I'm just going to leave it like this. Now for the last one, you want to click on W on your keyboard and then you want to scroll down and then click on Windows Update. Do the same thing. Double click on this, startup type, automatic, and then click on start. And then click on OK. Again, if it was already started before you got to this stage, then you want to click on restart the service. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in DISM space /online space / cleanup -image space / restore health and click on enter. Now once this has been completed, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.